The interface. This is the Premiere Rush interface on a PC. The features are the same on your mobile device, just arranged a little differently. Working our way around the interface, we have the Home button. This takes you back to the home screen where you can start a new project and view or open all of your projects. Next is the Edit tab. This takes you to the Edit workspace where you will edit your video, adding text, transitions, audio, and all other features of Rush. The Share tab is where you go to share your project on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or Behance. This is also where you go to export your video as an MP4. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will find all of the editing options for your Rush project. The Titles button lets you choose from a collection of built-in motion graphics titles. The Transitions button lets you add transitions like fade in, fade out, or dissolve, and also add overlays to your videos. The Color button adds a color preset to your project and will let you create your own color settings by adjusting exposure, contrast, highlights. The Speed button allows you to speed up or slow down video clips within your project. The Audio button lets you adjust volume, mute, enhance voice, or auto-duck background music so that all audio tracks have the same volume. The Transform button provides opportunities to modify the appearance of your clip using crop, rotate, or scale, or do things like create a picture-in-picture effect. Now we move to more editing options at the bottom of the interface. The Control Tracks button toggles tracks on and off, hides tracks, or locks tracks to make editing efficient. The editing controls enable you to split, duplicate, or delete a clip. You can also expand the audio tracks to make fine-tuning with audio easier. Back to the top, the Project Panel button lets you view all of the videos, photos, audio clips, graphics, and sequences within your project. And finally, the Add Media button is the best and easiest way to insert titles, more media, including images, videos, and audio, and record a voiceover for your project.